What's going on? Back with some Panini Dunk. I know it's been a while since I used this app. I'm gonna open some of the free packs again, just see how if people are interested in it. I have a couple downloads going on my Xbox, so I'm waiting for that to get finished while I wait for those. It's gonna be a couple minutes. I figure I'll open some packs. Gonna claim the free stuff that I should be claiming, probably more than I would like to admit. So you get 250 coins. I'm going to spin the wheel first. You get one free spin. I'm not even sure how often. If it's every 4 hours, I think it is. Larry Bird, that looks pretty cool. So that's a really good one. A Larry Bird insert. It doesn't tell you how. Oh, okay, an hour. So that's actually not bad. I think they might have even changed that, to be honest with you. I think it used to be like per day or 4 hours or something. So here's a free pack. Also, you get Bates Diop, Brandon Ingram, Relic, DiVincenzo, autograph, Tools of the Trade, Jerome Robinson. Pretty sweet. I saw him recently, I think, on YouTube. I guess he's like signing autographs now. 8-time multiplier. So Iverson autograph is a really cool hit. So those are the free ones. I'm gonna see what's in the store. I'm not gonna buy anything because I know a lot of people are interested in the old Panini Dunk videos. I'm just not sure or 100% sure if they're interested in how interested they are in Panini Dunk. So I don't want to spend too much money on anything if people aren't interested in watching it. So again, the store has a lot of free stuff. There's hobby boxes, I guess if you want to call it, in the store also for 2020. Spectra. It's really cool stuff if you want to collect or start your own collection. If you're a serious collector, it's definitely going to be worth it. But aside from that, if you actually, I'm going to show you how to do it again. You might want to skip past this if you already know about this. So if you go to the boxes, you go to the end, you get free packs every day. Actually, technically, you get 5 free packs every day. So every week you can get 35. Maybe I should do an upload, a new one, how to do this. So that's 35 times 4 is what, like 140 packs you can get every month. Just in case people are not interested or not aware how to get, free packs. And the cards are pretty good cards. You're not getting like low value cards. You're getting high value cards. They're just not going to be super duper short printed numbered cards. But some of them are, like I said before, 10-time multiplier, 20-time multiplier that you can use for some of the game modes and stuff like that. So those should be all 7 days times 5 is 35 packs I just got. So those how you get them. Again, you go to the store, you go to boxes, and you go all the way at the end, and they're kind of tucked away there. So after you do that, you want to go to your collection. You want to go to your inventory and just start opening them. And here's pack number 1. Kevin Porter Jr. autograph. And like I said, 6-time, it's nothing too great, but it gets higher than that. Michael Porter Jr., DeAndre Hunter rookie card, 8-time. Patrick Williams, 5-time. Rui Hachimura, relic rookie card, 5-time. And then some kind of like base card. Drummond, CJ McCollum, Musa, Luca, and Langston Holloway. Number 2. Actually, give me 1 second. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna see something real quick. while I'm kind of waiting. And I hate to kind of double. Crap! I need to delete a game to put this game on that I'm trying to download. Okay, this is gonna have to bite the bullet, so that one's gonna have to go. So anyways, okay, so who is this? D'Anthony Melton autograph 6-time. A Giannis 3-time. A Kiki. A Koji 10 times. So that, like I said, you get some good ones. Alonzo Trier, Jokic, D Rose, Murray, Drummond, Wesley Matthews. So let me go back here and I'm gonna open this one. See, the thing is, they said this game was available. I don't see it here. Unless it's Xbox X and I don't have Xbox X. Would they have put that only exclusive to Xbox? Well, I guess I kind of... I'm sorry that I need to, like... I wanted to kind of kill two birds with one stone. But I guess that's not going to happen anyways. Tyler Hero. 4-time. Cody Martin. 4-time. Bruce Brown. James Wiseman relic. Jumbo Zaire Smith. 10-time. That's a good one. Wiggins. Buddy Hield. Nurkic. DeMarcus Aldridge. And Josh Jackson. There is something I wanted to point out. Just in case if people did not notice it. Wendell Carter Jr. Here's a really nice one. Brandon Clark, 4-time. A Luka autograph. RJ Barrett autograph. Vernon Carey Jr., Rudy Gobert, Paul Gasol, Damian Lillard, Miles Turner. And here's a really nice one. 1, 2, 3 color rookie patch autograph. 10-time. Wooly Cauley-Stein, 8-time. Oh, okay, Blake Griffin. Yeah, well, I guess he didn't play. Oh, that's a really nice one. Nick Richards. Killian Hayes, rookie card. Buddy Hield, Spencer Dinwiddie, Chris Middleton, Donovan Mitchell, and Dejounte Murray. Oh, I kind of lost track. Oh, well, that was 5. Okay, that was 5, I think. So I'll do another 5. Carmelo, Steven Jackson, another Iverson autograph 7 times. So that's a really good one. Who is this? Mikal Bridges, Steve Nash, Devin Booker, JaMychal Green, Chandler Hutchinson, Kawhi, and Malcolm Brogdon. Here's a nice one. Devin Reed. So, like, I was going to show because it shows their upcoming game. So, Phoenix is playing Milwaukee on the 10th, which is today. This is really going 13-time multiplier. Wow. I haven't seen a 13 in a while. So, it tells you, and then, like, later today or tomorrow, it's going to plug in the stats. Tyler Hero, 4-time. Draymond Green, 5-time. Oladipo, Isaiah Stewart, Jamal Murray, Troy Brown Jr., Drew Holiday, Ben Simmons, Kelly Oubre. I'm going to open these last 3 and make it a a 10-pack opening. That's probably going to glitch out. I don't know who that is. Kent Bazemore. 8-time multiplier. I don't know how to say this guy's name, but that's a rated rookie. 2-time. Jalen Brunson. Kent Bazemore again. Maybe that was the card. Paul Pierce. Tony Parker. Kent Bazemore again. Enes Kanter. Padats. If I'm saying that right. And D'Angelo Russell. Is D'Angelo Russell still in the NBA? Remember he was supposed to be like the next Kobe or something like that. Rudy Gobert. Patrick Williams. Javon Carter looks at Vince Carter. That's funny. I wonder if they're related. It definitely looks like Vince Carter. Kevin Porter Jr., Damian Lillard, who supposedly might be getting traded, Drew Holiday, Antoine Moore, Porzingis, DeMonte Murray, Joe Harris. And here's the last one. It's going to be the last and 10th one. And let's see what we get. Here's a 1, 2, 3 color patch. Taurean Prince, 10-time, of course. That's a really nice one. Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Kevin Porter, Devin Vassell again, DeMarcus Cousins, Kyle Lowry, Tobias Harris, Sabonis, and Will Barton. So that's good to give you an idea and to see if people are still interested in watching these. I do need to do some of these. These will take forever, so I don't want to do that. Let me see what the quests look like, and that's the last thing. Oh, no quest available. Of course. Of course there's no quest available. Trade, card hunter. I don't know what that is. Contest. Let's see. Do I want to do a contest? Let's see what that's all about. Test your skill level and use your collection to set the best lineup within the max multiplier limit. You must set a maximum of 4 positions to make a team eligible. Captains get 2 times the amount of points. You actually have to pay money? That's insane. Rewards. What? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna... Oh, this is done by Panini themselves, so that might not be too bad. So you pay $7. Yeah, that's pretty much if you have a crazy... Let me see what my most multiplier is. Because you go to your collection, you go all of your cards, you go to filter, you go to sort, and then you go to multiplier. My most valuable card, oh gosh, I guess I don't have any new cards. All right, so I don't know how. Oh, see, they do it like that now. So this one is Colin Sexton. Is a 30-time multiplier. I could probably be competitive in that, but I don't obviously want to spend money that I don't necessarily want to spend. Kyle Kuzma, I said Zuma. Kuzma to 28-time multiplier. Why do I not have any? Did I not open any? Oh, is it because 2021 packs have not dropped or I haven't opened any? Who is this? Greg Elo, 25 multiplier. Karis LeVert, Fred VanVleet. Oh, I need to post this on there. Let me see 2019. Oh, I have a couple Logomans. Who do I have? Quindary Weatherspoon, Lucas Simonik, Isaiah Roby, Andre Drummond. These are probably like 50-time multipliers. Watch 32, yeah. And pretty dope. Um, yeah, a Luca. How much is this Luca? 20 time multiplier Luca, 1 of 3. How do I swear like I got I have more cards than I realized that I probably have. I probably should have sold that Luca at one point for some serious money. Um anyways, I'll leave it at that. I'll see you guys later.